very big project that called Neptune 1. So maybe it's working on white team, but this is not a white team. I hope it's really working. But let's move to another server. I hope can get a white team. Okay, finally after one attempt I get the white team. So let's go. We can go to the save project and unlock the Neptune 1. This is my first rocket. No, this is not first. This is my second rocket that I ever built. This is the biggest that I ever built. So let's go to the it's not working when you go to the top. So let's go to engine part. Delete. Okay, let's go. We can just get into and just where's the black thing? Okay, we can just add 1, 2, 3 and this, and then let's go. So these two. Wait. Bro. Oh my god, I need to try again. That won't break up. So just load it again and try again. I hope this really works. So let's this and let's go. Wait. Okay. Please. Wait. It gets so laggy. Okay, let's turn off the rocket thing. So yeah, that just really working on with the white team. I hope in another team it will working too. Let's move to yellow because I like yellow too. So we can just load it again. Oh no, I don't want to buy this. No, please. Okay, just load it, then go to the top, then go to the engine part again, sit down out there, just this. So let's go, then delete it again faster. Let's go. Oh my god, where am I? We're in the blue team. Oh my god, where is this? Hello? Is there anybody? Okay. So when you go to another tab, set the white thing, you need to have a right timing to activate the rocket or it will be fall down. So that's why the recommended team is the white team. Yeah, just like that. Thank you so much to see my videos. See you next time. Bye.